So as someone who has been managing their clients' socials for years and years at this point, one of my pet peeves for a while, especially as we are creating content for thought leaders, speakers, authors, and TEDx talkers, is that before there was no way to schedule personal profile-based LinkedIn content utilizing a third-party tool like Sprout Social, Hootsuite, etc. Because that's something that just the APIs didn't capture. LinkedIn didn't give you permission to do that. So what does that mean? That meant we had to manually go in to our clients' personal profiles and update their content that way. Until LinkedIn woke up to the fact that we were all busy professionals and our clients were also as well. And they finally wised up to the fact that we need a built-in native scheduling tool. And on one hand, I'm grateful that that exists, but on the other hand, it leaves much to be desired. So let me walk you through how to create a scheduled post on LinkedIn and where to find those drafts that have been scheduled already. Let's dive in. So here is how you walk through finding your drafts. So first I'm going to create a draft for you. So I'm logged into my LinkedIn. I'm going to pop it here and I'm going to say, this is a test. Let's see how it's done. And then I'm going to hit schedule for later. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to schedule for next week. I'm just going to put it probably at 7 a.m. I'm going to hit next, schedule. Now you're probably thinking, okay, where did it go? Great question. So to find your scheduled post, you're actually going to go like you're creating a new post. And right here, where it says schedule for later, you're going to click the icon. And then there's an entire area, though very subtle, that you will click. It says view all scheduled posts. And there it is. Now, the only two things to remember that you can actually edit, let me make this bigger for you, is the time. So if you have a typo, for example, you cannot duplicate, adjust, and delete this one and swap it out for the new one. You have to copy it here, delete it, and then you have to go back and redo it. The reason why I'm like, if you learn nothing from Twitter, we all want an edit button. But this just proves, like, if you have another process where you create it in a content calendar, you're checking it for grammar, typos, all of that, that's going to set you up for success, even if you're scheduling it here natively in LinkedIn, because you won't have to copy, redo it. And if you have loads of tags for amplification purposes to acquire more reach, that's going to be a pain in the butt. So make sure that you do your due diligence, double check everything before you hit schedule so you don't have to redo all of that content.